This story is a very beautiful pastime of Radha Krishna mentioned in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Radharani has two forms. One is Vrishabhanu Nandini, the other is Radha Kund. Of all the gopis, Radharani is very dear to Krishna. Similarly, Radha Kund is as dear to Krishna as Radharani. Many sweet pastimes take place in Radha Kund. Anybody who bathes there and worships Radharani reverentially, the love that Radharani has for Krishna, Krishna gives that love to someone who respects and worships Radha Kund. One time, Krishna had to meet Radharani, but he got very late. Lalita Sakhi asked, "Hey Samsundar, what time were you supposed to come?" 6 o'clock. What is the time now? 6 o'clock. So, I'm on time. No, you are 12 hours late. You were supposed to come at 6 p.m. You have come at 6 a.m. Where were you? By then, the parrot of Vrinda Devi came and told, Krishna went there, Krishna went here, and forgot Radharani. Lalita Sakhi became very angry and told Radharani everything. Radharani said, "No, I even don't want to see him." This is one of the symptoms of ecstatic love. Of course, in this world, what we see is not love. So, man cannot exist here. Except Radharani, no one can do man. True man comes only at the level of Krishna Prem. Radha Krishna, they are eternally one. Radha Purno Shakti, Krishna Purno Shaktiman. Dui bostu bhed nahi, Shastrero Praman. Kaviraj Goswami said, there is absolutely no difference between Radha and Krishna. Still, when they become two, sweet prem ras is seen between them. So, Radharani told Lalita Sakhi, "You give him enough punishment." Lalita Sakhi said, "Go out, Krishna, and worship Radharani." But to worship Radharani, I must go inside. No, there are two forms of Radharani. One is inside and one is outside. Outside? Where? Radha Kund. You go there and worship Radharani in the form of Radha Kund. Then, when there will be Kripa, you will be accepted. So, this is the context. Krishna went to Radha Kund. He was taking bath at Radha Kund, worshipping Radha Kund, doing parikrama. Then, what happened? What happens when we chant the names of our Ishtadev? He must appear. When Prahlad remembered Narasimha Dev, he appeared. When Dhruva remembered Vishnu, he appeared. Krishna was constantly chanting and worshipping Radharani, and his Ishtadev Srimati Radharani appeared in the form of Spurti, or very wonderful manifestations on the banks of Radha Kund. What was it? All the fragrance of the flowers put together, moved by the breeze, were bringing in the fragrance of Srimati Radharani. Swans on the waters of Radha Kund were giving sweet sound, and to Krishna's ears they were like the jingling ankle bells of the lotus feet of Radharani. The breeze on Radha Kund were like the breathing of Srimati Radharani. Lotus flowers on Radha Kund were like the beautiful lotus hand and lotus feet and lotus face of Srimati Radharani. The golden Champaklata vines moving by the breeze were like the moving arms of Radharani. Almost like Radharani was dancing. Looking at this, Krishna also started dancing. Because Krishna was worshipping Radha Kund with so much surrender that Radha Kund was giving revelation or darshan of Radharani's form to Krishna. This is a very great message to all of us. If we want to take shelter of Radharani, we take shelter of Radha Kund. And to take shelter of Radha Kund, we take shelter of the 6 Goswamis of Vrindavan. So, Krishna was dancing. First, he was seeing Radharani's dance step and then he was moving accordingly. Thinking Radharani to be his dancing teacher, Radhikaro premo guru ami shishya not, shoda ama nana nrite nachaye udbhat. Radharani is my teacher and I am her pupil. Her love makes me dance various novel dances. At this point, Vrinda Devi comes there on the banks of Radha Kund. She saw there was nobody around and Krishna was dancing. Vrinda Devi goes to Radharani, gives a report. I see something shocking. So, the conversation between Vrinda Devi and Radharani on Krishna dancing on the banks of Radha Kund is today's verse. This is from Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi Leela, chapter 4, text 125. Kasmat Vrinde Priya Sakhi. Radharani asked Vrinda Devi, Hey dear friend Vrinda, please tell me, where are you coming from? Hare Pad Moolat. Vrinda Devi said, I am coming from the lotus feet of Sri Hari. Radharani said, Kuto so, where is he? Kundaranye. He is on the banks of Radha Kund. Kimiha kurute. What is he doing there? Nritta Shiksham. He is learning dancing. Guru Kaha. Who is his guru? From whom is he learning? Vrinda Devi said, Nobody else. He is doing it from your murti only. Tam Tvan Murti. I never knew there is a murti for me. Not one murti. There are thousands of murtis of you. Acha, where? Vrinda Devi said, Prati Taru Latam. In every creeper, in every tree of Radha Kund, Krishna is seeing only you. By chanting mantra, by taking snan at Radha Kund, by worshipping with so much surrender, he is learning dance from you. Not just that. Digvidikshu Spuranti. In every direction, he is seeing you. Shailu Shiva Brahmati Parito. Krishna is moving like a puppet. Your form moving on the banks of Radha Kund is like a puppeteer and Krishna has been like a puppet. Nartayanti Swapaschat. Seeing your dancing form, Krishna is also dancing behind. In this way, we see how wonderfully Radharani in Gaudiya Parampara has been placed at such a position of honor and reverence where the whole world is worshipping Krishna and also offers a flower to Radharani. Our Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada says, No, our Gaudiya Vaishnava Sampradaya is such that we worship Radharani and also we offer a flower to Krishna because he has won the heart of Radharani. But the way we worship Radharani and Krishna is through Gaur Bhajan, through worship of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. The more we do Gaur Bhajan, we have Guru Nishtha, to that worship of Radha Krishna is automatically happening. Like by reading Chaitanya Charitamrita, boxes and boxes of Krishna Lila are opening up. So, now when we read the verse, we know its meaning. Come on, let's read it once again. Kasmad Vrinde Priya Sakhi Hare Padamulat Kutoso Kundaranye Kimiha Kurute. नृत्यशिक्षां गुरु कः तं त्वां मूर्ति प्रतितरुलतां दिग्विदिक्षु स्फुरन्ति शैलु शिव भ्रमति परितो नर्तयन्ति स्वपश्चात्. This verse is from Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi Leela, chapter 4, text 125. Thank you so much for watching. Hare Krishna.